sources, the Delhi Police Special Cell has successfully foiled a major terror plot as they managed to have now arrested 5 terrorists which are linked to ISIS. Now, 2 of these 5 terrorists have been arrested from the national capital itself. And in fact, in order to nab the terrorists, the police carried out a 2-day operation across Delhi, Mumbai, Jharkhand, and this eventually led to the detention of several suspects and then the arrest of key operatives in this case. Now, according to sources in Delhi Police, the group was plotting a series of bomb blasts in Delhi and several other locations as well. In fact, crucial materials used in making these IEDs have also been recovered from their possession. And meanwhile, 3 more suspects remain in custody. This as the investigation is continuing in this case. Remember, raids are also underway across several other states as security agencies work to uncover the full extent of this terror network. Authorities at this point are now interrogating everyone who's been connected to the case to unravel what was the full extent of this conspiracy, what were the locations they were intending to target, and of course, what was this whole terror plot being planned by these terrorists. So this is the latest we're getting to understand. 5 key arrests have been made by Delhi Police. They have successfully foiled a major terror plot here. Remember, they were planning attacks across Delhi and several crucial material has now also been recovered from these terrorists. Remember, 2 of these 5 arrests, they've been made from the national capital. And when we talk about the process and how the investigation is being carried out, the police carried out 2-day operations across several cities, including Delhi, Mumbai and Jharkhand. This led to the detention of several suspects and then eventually key operatives who were involved in this terror plot planning. They were arrested by the police. Now, we're given to understand from our sources in the Delhi Police that this group was plotting a series of bomb blasts in the capital city and several other locations. In fact, for this terror plot, they also had crucial material in place, including IEDs, which has now been recovered by the police. And meanwhile, 3 more suspects remain in custody. This as the investigation is still continuing. We're trying to find out what were their targets, what was their motive, what was the whole conspiracy, and of course, the financial trail behind this.